how to add GIFs to Squarespace website. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website and it's going to load up my website view here. And we want to select edit at the top left corner. Now right here between the header and the first section, we will add a new section by clicking on this blue button and then choose add a blank section. Now it's going to look like this, and we want to hover over it and choose the option to add block. Now right here, what we're going to do is actually choose the option for code. So just choose code here and it's going to look like this. We want to left click on it, double click on it, sorry. And then we want to go to Giphy or some other place that has GIFs and just choose a random GIF which you want to use. So I'm going to do this one as an example, and I will choose the option to embed here. So I'll get this code, I'll just click on copy. I'm going to go back to my website, delete this previous code that I have right here, and I'm going to paste my code like so. Now, as you can see, this GIF has been successfully added to my Squarespace website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.